Hello, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm happy.
Good job. This is Rain. She's having a speaking test today. Look at the camera. Say hello.
Hello.
Good job. Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Are you from Vietnam?
Yes, I am.
Good job. How old are you? How old are you?
Um, I'm 7.
Good job. Very good. I'm 7. And how do you spell your name? R
R
A.
A I N.
Good job. Very good. High five. Okay, Rain. Let's go some more. Okay. P.
B
H.
S O N I C S
S. Good job. Now let's see the numbers. Number.
1
Number. 7. 7.
7
Number.
10
Good job. Is it number 10? Is it 10? No.
No,
It.
no, it isn't. It
It's 5.
It's 5.
Good job. High five. Okay. Now we're going to practice the colors a little bit. What color is this?
It's red.
Good job. And this?
It's blue.
Blue. Blue. Good job. What color is this?
It's yellow.
Good job. Is it yellow?
Yes, I am.
Yes, it is. No, it's, yeah, it has actually some yellow. So she's right. Good job. We're going to check the vocabulary now. Let's go, Rain. What's this?
Alligator.
Good job. It's an alligator. Good job. What's this?
It's an apple.
Okay, just a second. Okay. It's an apple. How do you spell apple?
A double B L E.
Okay, good job. What is this strange sound? Okay, what's this?
It's an
But
It's a banana.
that's right. What's this?
It's a bear.
That's right. What's this?
It's a cup.
Cup. What's this?
It's a computer.
Good job. What's this?
It's a duck.
And this? Is it a cat?
Dog.
It's a dog. Okay. Good job. I have still more words to go. What's this?
It's an apple.
Okay, it's an elbow. What's this?
It's a fan.
Okay. Is it a boy?
Sự.
Is it a boy?
No, I'm not. It's a girl.
So, no, it isn't. It's a girl. No.
No, it isn't. It's a girl.
Okay, what's this?
It's a
The?
gorilla.
That's right. Good job. What's this?
It's a hot dog.
Good job. What is this, Rain?
It's
It's an igloo.
It's an igloo.
Good job. What's this?
It's a jet.
And this?
It's a jet.
It's jam. It's jam. What's this?
It's a king.
King. King. And is it an apple? Is it an apple?
No, it isn't. It's a
Lemon.
It's a lemon.
Okay. Well, this is the end of the speaking test. Rain, look at the camera and say goodbye.
Bye.